Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and device are synced. This prevents duplicate queues. Once done, open Gmail and inspect Outbox and drafts for stuck messages so you know what's queued. Next, make sure network connectivity is stable, disable airplane mode, and reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular. If you're on VPN, temporarily turn it off because routing issues often cause queuing. These steps clear obvious blockers quickly and prepare you for deeper fixes if messages remain queued. You should now diagnose why messages are still queued. First, try to resend or delete each stuck message individually. Large attachments often block the queue. Next, clear the Gmail app cache or storage on mobile or sign out and back in on web. Updating the app removes protocol bugs. Also verify attachment sizes and label sync limits, and confirm SMTP/IMAP settings if you use a client. These targeted actions address the common internal causes of queued mail and restore flow. Finish by rebooting your device and sending a small test message to confirm delivery. Reboot clears transient locks and services. Once the test works, gradually resend other messages, making sure to remove oversized attachments. If problems persist, switch to web Gmail in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out extensions. And if you still see queued mail, check your account sending limits and Google Workspace status. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect quota and suspended sending, because service limits often masquerade as a queue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.